that's bad luck. I've done this video, I talked to 2 ways, and it hasn't recorded. So let's jump right in, right back. Here, challenge 187 by Omid, custom grouping. Omid likes those custom grouping things, and what we should do here is if there is a jump larger than 1 between the dates, then they don't are part of this group, then they should be part of the next group, and you should group then make the sum for the adjacent group. So first, how do we make the groups? I use drop here, or first a let function, D for dates, S for sales, and then drop the first row minus D, and if this is larger than 1, then I want to have here a true or false value. We have here an error at the end, and also you see here we have here a true value, although it is in the same group. Therefore, I need to drop drop the last value out, drop -1, and stack in a 0. So here we have the adjacent groups, and now I scan those. Scan those starting from 1 because it starts with group 1. Use the iter-reduced lambdas, and I have my groups. Then I use here the GROUPBY function. These are my row fields. My values are S. Oh, it should go down all the way. My values are S. Function is sum. I don't need adapt. And we're finished. Now, let's put a header in. I use here VSTACK and HSTACK, but I know you can also do this without do this with the normal like array stuff. But since I'm on international settings, it's not error proven, and I don't know all the international stuff to translate it and later in the LinkedIn post. So I do it the old school way with VSTACK and HSTACK. And it's more intuitive because I know V and A, which direction it is. So here we are, problem solved, but this was only the first way. Because what is if you don't have GROUPBY yet? I know, for example, that on the current corporate channel, GROUPBY isn't available. So let's do it the old school way. We don't need all of this. Here are groups. This will not be possible because, yeah, we can also do A plus B. It's a little bit shorter. Also here, no iter-reduced functions. Name this G for group. Here we are back with our groups and no iter-reduced functions. Now we need the unique group names. We have 5 groups here. We map our unique group names in. This is lambda A. We filter S if the G, so our group, if the value is is for this group. We sum this up, close a lot of brackets, and we have our values. Now we haystack the group name in, or the group number, and then we also add, sorry, not haystack, VStack, and then haystack at the header group and total sales. So it's the same way, just a little bit longer. But you probably don't have GROUPBY, so I wanted to show both ways. So thank you for your attention. I hope to see you in the next one, and hopefully it has recorded. Otherwise I will not do this in a video. Sorry guys. Oh, yeah, fortunate. Bye.